Good day everyone, my name is Gavin North Del Malyari and this is my testimonial video for the subject Introduction to Esports taught by Dr. Earl Albina. From the first day of Dr. Earl Albina's esports class until now, my experience has been full of learning, growth, and new understanding. When the class first started, I honestly thought esports was only about playing games for fun, but as the lesson continued, Doc Earl helped me see esports as a real and fast-growing industries with roles, strategies, teamwork, and professionalism. What I really appreciate how Doc Earl teaches, he always prepared and always on time, which set a good example for us. Whenever we don't understand something, whether it's game categories, player roles, strategies, or evolution of esports, he patiently gives clear explanation and simple examples. These examples really help us connect the lessons to real situation in gaming and tournaments. Through this journey, I become more confident in understanding how esports works behind the scenes. I learned how teams communicate and how strategy are formed and how the industries continue to grow worldwide. And because of Doc Earl's guidance, now I see esports not just as an entertainment but also as a field that requires discipline, teamwork, and knowledge.